The Senate is forced through the widely condemned Constitutional Amendment Number 3 Bill, a move critics say seeks to extend President Emmerson Mnangagwa's term of office beyond 2028, thereby stifling democracy. Nizadapena mashuka rokuda panguva ino achinyorwa achinzi Senate endorses controversial CAB3. Developments aonekwa panguva ino achinyorwa kunzi the whole nation panguva ino is not happy with these developments. Zadapena mashuka rokuda nyorwa panguva ino. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina mnamu blank kwa mchinzi. The bill sailed through the Senate with amendments after receiving what state media hailed as overwhelming support from the upper house. Official outlets praised the vote, calling it a decisive step to ensure stability and continuity of leadership and a victory for the people's aspirations. The final count showed 75 senators voted in favor of the bill, while 4 voted against. Despite warnings from opposition voices that the legislation dismantles constitutional term limits, democracy advocates maintain the amendment is a power grab meant to entrench Mnangagwa's rule past 2028, stripping away key checks on presidential authority and weakening democracy safeguards. Though patashika pamuri Zimbabwe chiona kuti panguva ino aiwa nhau constitutional amendments dzasvika pane imwe level. Panguva ino kunyatsoonekwa kunzi kunyangwe opposition voices, kunyangwe some members of the ruling party ZANU-PF, they are even giving warnings kuti vakomana, we are leaving these people doing what they want, but panguva ino zviri kunyatsokuya zvichiweakena democracy munyika yedu, pamwe chete nekustrip away checks and balances on the presidency. Noda kuti zvinozikamwa kunzi the citizens havana the right to elect. Pinda mukome section medu dzafungira enyu muri kudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, and turn the bell icon.